Do you wanna enhance your performance and saving your time while doing tasks on computer? Here is way. So many people don't use the key combination for doing tasks in less time. You can be more capable with these shortcuts. Let's see. First of all, you can subscribe my channel if you wanna learn new things about computer and technology. Our community is interested in computer. Let's join us. As everyone knows, Winkie opens the start menu, but Winkie can be partnered with more keys. 1. Win plus D. It shows the desktop. Pressing Winkie together D showing desktop. If you do again this combination, you can come back to same program. 2. Open my computer. If you need to see many options at this computer, you can do through this combination. Pressing Winkie with E opens the quick access. In other saying, you can quickly open folder of my computer. 3. Finding any program. When you do some task as computer, you must find anything. Winkie and Q combination is done that quickly. It opens the searching part to documents of computer, and you can find anything. 4. Lock the computer. When you need fastly closing computer or you are at office and you should leave from your desk, so you wanna lock the computer. Pressing Winkie with L is providing that it locks the desktop, and if anyone wants to use it, they need the password. You are in safe. 5. Fixed breakdown. While using computer, any program can be breakdown. You must close fastly. Ctrl-Alt-Delete is more slower way. You should press Escape with Shift and Control for more to quickly access to Task Manager. Then you close any program easily. 6. Screenshot. I like that, which is very useful way for me. If you want screenshot to all screen or anywhere, pressing Winkie together Shift with W is providing that. You can screenshot what you want easily. 7. Open new tab without going. When you're looking about anything on Google, you can keep easily your researching with that shortcut. Pressing Ctrl with left click of mouse is open the link on new tab without going into that tab. It opens on new tab and you can keep down. Easy. 8. Switching between tabs. If you have many tabs on Charm, you would need to switch between them. Ctrl and Tab is going to right tab. If you want to pass to left, you press Ctrl and Tab together Shift. These combinations make you fast on Charm. 9. Open recent closed tab. By the way, while you are on Charm, if you closed the tab incorrectly, you can get back it through pressing Ctrl and Shift together T. It opens recent closed tab on Charm. 10. Switch between programs. That is very handy combination. When you open many type of programs, you can switch between them easily. Pressing Ctrl and Tab with Alt is provide that. Switching between all programs with arrow keys. Ctrl and Tab with Alt is provide that. Switching between all programs with arrow keys. 11. Make new desktop. And when you are in same situation, you don't have just one option. Another option is pressing Winkie and Ctrl with D. You can create new desktop for empty space, and you can do what you want. 12. Switch between desktops. Don't worry, I show you that how can you switch between desktops. Win and Control with arrow keys can switch between them. That's all. 13. Present all programs and desktops, and you can take more with this combination. Pressing Win with Tab show you all desktops and programs. You can achieve more information with that quickly. 14. Delete permanently. So many people delete the folder while click right, then select the option of delete, but it is not permanently. You have to delete same folder at recycle bin, but you can delete folder permanently. Pressing shift with delete can erase permanently any folder when you click OK. That's all. 15. Zoom. When you add charm, you can zoom in and zoom out. Pressing Ctrl and plus is zoom in. Ctrl with minus is zoom out. That's all. Now you are faster at computer tasks. Thank you for watching. If you have more hotkeys, you can make comment for us. Please subscribe my channel for join our community. You like the video and share for support us.